Thank you, Willie Lusige, for that. Now we're following up that developing story in which a city lawyer, Asa Nyakundi, is implicated in his son's death. It is the fourth day since the incident, but the city lawyer is yet to appear in court. Nyakundi claims to have accidentally shot his 29-year-old son, Joseph Nyakundi, in the chest while in their family car last Sunday. Let's now cross over to our city center studio where Shadrach Miti has been following up on this story and now joins us to give us an update. Shadrach, how are the investigations so far?
Well, so far we know that Nyakundi is still at Nairobi Hospital where he is undergoing a medication after he suffered what doctors said blood pressure. And so that notwithstanding, investigators have continue with the investigation into the incident, at least to establish how it happened that Nyakundi, a city lawyer, ended up to accidentally shoot his son dead. And so we know by yesterday what the police had done. They had covered enough ground insofar as building the case against Mr. Nyakundi. And so by last evening we were informed that at least 485 bullets were recovered from Nyakundi's house with 2 guns. But all these we were again followed by certificate. But that certificate again has to be taken through a forensic test to establish its authenticity. And so again, remember, the incident took place in Nyakundi's car. And so it was very necessary that, again, investigators find a way to establish how did it happen. And so in the process of trying to find leads on how the entire incident took place, again, we were informed that one spent cartridge was found in Nyakundi's car, and the head of a bullet, again, was found, I think, in the car's booth. And so by today, it was expected that this morning, Nyakundi would be arraigned in court. But that, again, was subject to the doctor's advice, but it never took place. So we believe that Nyakundi is still undergoing treatment, and if at all he will stabilize, then it follows that he may be arraigned in court tomorrow. But so far, we are still at the stage of investigation, and investigators are really still trying to piece together all issues that can make them at least build a case against Nyakundi. Remember, most of the things that were recovered yesterday, some of them are to undergo ballistic test, and others are to undergo some forensic test, at least to establish the truth and the authenticity over the same. But as we stand now, Nyakundi is not yet in court, and this we are now counting about 3 days, which according to the constitution, although Nyakundi is not in custody, but it now follows that the constitution only gives a maximum of 24 hours for a suspect to be arraigned in court, but that one hasn't happened. So we do not exactly what will follow from here. We do not know what the lawyers, Nyakundi's lawyers are planning, or what the prosecution is planning, or even what the prosecutors are planning to do, even as we move ahead with this situation. Back to you.